When we understand the intent, then we can craft the experience, then we can drive the sale. The research process is something that is long and nuanced. It all starts with having structured conversations with actual customers. We'll run surveys and we'll look at their experience of buying. What was the pain that they were feeling that sent them looking? And the overlap for SEO is the way they talk about that pain and the way that they describe those triggers. That's going to open up a whole new world of things, not only to consider ranking for, but ways to talk about it on the page, avenues to go down, places to show up. We find out not only what that pain was, but how they tried to solve it in the past. What are they coming off of? What information sources did they turn to? We find these conversations on places like Reddit and Quora, and we look at the language people use to talk about the outcomes they want and the pains that they have and those types of things. We steal those, we bring those into the copy, and that's how we make the messaging compelling and relatable. And then you can craft the content around that. So when we understand the intent, then we can craft the experience, then we can drive the sale. When you're doing all of that, when you're the most relevant, useful piece of content that's ranking for that, then you deserve to be there. And that's what Google wants to see. And that's hopefully what gets passed around and shared naturally by humans too, because it's actually legitimately valuable. So it stops being a game of, do we have the H1 in the headline, and more a game of, do we answer this question the best?